the dish is ready. This is a Rajasthani preparation, but I changed it a little bit. I didn't make it that spicy. And lima beans is very healthy, lot of nutrition, and it's protein rich curry. You can eat it with chapati or naan or even rice. This is my lima beans Rajasthani dish. Hello, welcome to Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm cooking lima beans. It is an Indian Rajasthani dish. For that I am going to stir fry the frozen lima beans. Let's stir fry. This has little bit cooking time, so I am going to cook it in the stove for 3 minutes so it gets little brown color on the skin, and then we'll take it back. Going to season it with some red chili flakes and little bit of salt and let it cook. I will in between I will stir these lima beans, and now I'm going to prepare I'm going to cover it and cook it for a minute and do it in the low medium heat so it cooks well. And this is the sauce base. This is half cup of yogurt, adding half a teaspoon of turmeric in it, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, good handful of kasoori methi, and here I have half a teaspoon of cumin freshly ground, half a teaspoon of fennel freshly ground, and 1 tablespoon of coriander freshly ground. I'm going to mix everything, all the spices. And this is a dish from the northwestern state of India, Rajasthan. It is spicy usually. It's a very hot climate, so they use a lot of chili powder in their preparation. We didn't use that much. I think the color is not enough, so I am going to add a little bit more turmeric powder in it. Just to keep that yogurt intact, I am adding 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour in it. That will bind the yogurt while cooking. That's it, and our sauce base is ready. Now start with heating a pan. It's hot, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Because we have the spices, we need a little more oil than our usual cooking, so it's 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. I'm adding few garlic, 3 or 4 garlic chopped to the hot oil first. Stir it a little bit. Once the smell of the garlic started coming, I am adding 1 chopped onion. Let the onion and garlic saute a little bit. But in the authentic recipe, they use green chilies at this point, but we are not using green chilies. I used enough chili powder in the yogurt. Onions are almost translucent. At this stage, I am adding 3 chopped tomatoes. It's medium sized. Let it cover and cook for a minute now. Let the tomatoes get softened a little bit. These onions, garlic and tomatoes are cooked very well, come together. At this point I am adding the yogurt and spice mixed into that, and stirring also. For all my spicy dishes I add little bit of sugar. This is brown sugar, Indian sugar. Let it go into the sauce and get it done. let it melt it there, and you can see the oil is separating. That is when we are going to add the lima beans in it. The sauce is boiling, and you can see the oil oozing out of that. So I'm adding the lima beans in it. I'm adding little more water so the lima beans can cook very well. And I'm going to cover it and cook it, boil it for 5 minutes now, medium heat. I'm adding some clarified butter in it, 1 teaspoon. This will give a nice flavor. Into that I'm adding some garam masala, half a teaspoon, and another teaspoon of kasoori methi on top of that ghee. Let it cover, cook it for another couple of minutes, and our dish is going to be ready. And we are going to open and see. The beans cooked very well. The dish is ready. This is a Rajasthani preparation, but I changed it a little bit. I didn't make it that spicy. And lima beans is very healthy, lot of nutrition, and it's protein rich curry. You can eat it with chapati or naan or even rice. Today I have some cooked rice, and I am serving this on top of my rice. And this is my dinner today. It's a wholesome dish. This is my lima beans Rajasthani dish. It is served on top of rice. Very tasty, and this is my dinner today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you in another recipe in another episode. Thank you.